Let's dive into something called Powerfully Feminine. It's a totally new kind of digital product.
Are you tired of making offers that just fizzle out? Yeah, it's a real problem.
The game is changing. We're moving past simple PDFs to, well, real digital experiences.
This is exactly that. It's not another template, it's a fully built product ready to go.
It's a whole experience for women to step into their confidence, clarity, and authority.
And it's not just one thing. It's apps, guided practices, journals, even sales systems.
The whole idea is simple. The product itself does the heavy lifting, not you. Okay, but this is the wild part. It comes with full resale rates.
That means you can literally rebrand it and sell it as your own. You just own it.
So, what's actually inside this digital empire? Come on, let's take a look. First up, the core experience. You get 4 different apps and guides for self-care and more. You also get ready-to-use content like activation audios and a whole vault of images. And here are the business tools, a sales bot, delivery system, everything's included. I mean it. There is nothing missing and there is nothing for you to build. And you have so many ways to use it, sell it whole or in pieces. If tech freaks you out, they have this effortless launch option. It's amazing. Using that method, you get a full 80% of every sale, and it's paid out instantly.
It's all about getting paid without the stress and the tech nightmares. Just plug and play.
And here's the bottom line. The market now rewards real, tangible products, not just ideas. So the real question is, are you ready to build a whole entire shop in under an